Hello friends, this is TechLanders and I'm back with an amazing video. If you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button. If at the end of this video you get to learn something or you like this video, hit the like button as well. In today's video, we'll be talking about screen refresh rate. Now, you might be thinking that what screen refresh rate is. It is basically the number of times or the rate at which the screen refreshes itself so as to display something on the screen. So you might be thinking that how it affects my user experience when I use the laptop. So if you have a screen with a higher refresh rate, then the animations or when you're gaming, all these activities will become very much smoother. Like you will see the difference when you're using the screen. The animations will be very smoother. The gaming would be very like snappy, and there would be no feeling of choppiness in gaming. So this helps in improving the experience of using the laptop. So now this is the benefit of having a higher refresh rate screen. Generally, the standard refresh rate of a screen is 60 hertz, and nowadays higher refresh rate screens are coming for about 120 hertz, 144 hertz, 200 as well as even 300 hertz of screen. So the benefit of this is the improved UI experience, but there is also a downside to it. The downside is that it increases the battery consumption. So yes, if you face or if you see that the battery is dropping very fast and you want to avoid that, and you want the screen refresh rate option, but you don't want to enable the higher refresh rate all the time and want to set the refresh rate to lower settings when it is not required. So you can change that setting so as to improve your battery life. So in today's video, we'll be seeing how to lower the refresh rate of the screen. So for that, first we have to type here graphics. We'll see this graphic settings. Click on it. After that, you have to come one step back, and down there you will see advanced display settings. So here you will click on it, and then on the top you'll see this option display one. So if you're using your laptop screen or desktop screen as your primary screen, then the setting should be display one. But if you're using multiple screens or you are using an external monitor which supports a higher refresh rate, so if you want to change the setting of that external monitor, then you will select the respective monitor. Here I have not connected any external monitor, so it's showing only one display. I'll click on it, and after that down here I'll see the option of refresh rate. So right now the refresh rate is clocked at 144 hertz, but I want to lower it down. So I'll click on it, and I have only two options of 144 or either 60 hertz. So I'll click on 60 hertz. After clicking on it, the screen will go blank for about 1 or 2 seconds, and then it will ask for confirmation. So I'll click on keep changes. So from now, the refresh rate is set to 60 hertz. You can change this setting any number of times you want, and the change in this setting does not require you to reboot your laptop or something. So you can change it as many times as you want as per your requirements. And this setting will be the process of changing this setting will be the same for any Windows laptop, whether it might be Dell, Asus, or any other HP laptops, etc. So this process of changing the setting is the same. So I hope that you got to know how to change the refresh rate. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you. Jai Hind.